Which forest lends its name to a type of a chocolate dessert? A. Black Forest. B. Sherwood Forest. C. Epping Forest. D. New Forest. Which bird lays its eggs in other birds' nests? A. Wagtail. B. Jay. C. Cuckoo. D. Ostrich. Which pre-decimal coin was known as a tanner? A. Sixpence. B. Threepenny piece. C. Penny. D. Halfpenny. Which bird features in the nicknames of ski jumper Michael Edwards and Derby County manager Jim Smith? A. Vulture. B. Eagle. C. Kestrel. D. Hawk. What term means an unforeseen natural event, beyond human control? A. Fait accompli. B. Decree absolute. C. Writ. D. Act of God. Who provided the voice of Woody in the film Toy Story? A. Tom Cruise. B. Tom Hanks. C. Bruce Willis. D. Tim Allen. In which county is Leeds Castle? A. Lancashire. B. Kent. C. Yorkshire. D. Sussex. In the book of Exodus, which substance was miraculously supplied as food for the Israelites in the wilderness? A. Fish. B. Nectar. C. Manna. D. Ambrosia. The phrase "a week is a long time in politics" is attributed to which British Prime Minister? A. Edward Heath. B. Harold Wilson. C. Margaret Thatcher. D. Harold Macmillan.